In 2025, the most dangerous crypto scam didn't look like a scam at all. It looked professional, polished, and completely real. A proper website, testimonials, celebrity endorsements, regulatory badges. By the time victims realized the truth, their money was already gone. That year, crypto scams stole a record $17 billion, more than any year in history. And the criminals behind them are getting smarter every single day. AI deepfakes, cloned voices, fake exchanges that look identical to real ones. But the story that explains everything about how these scams work starts with a woman, a PhD from Oxford, designer gowns, stages filled with thousands of screaming fans. 3.5 million people trusted her with $4 billion. Then one day, she disappeared. And what she left behind will change how you think about crypto forever. But before we get to her, we need to go back to where it all started. A platform that promised guaranteed returns, that had YouTube influencers swearing it was real, that made people believe they couldn't lose. Until the day they lost everything. In 2016, a platform called BitConnect launched. It promised something irresistible. Daily returns approaching 1%, compounding to roughly 40% per month, generated by a proprietary trading bot that made profitable trades automatically. The coin's price rocketed from 17 cents to $463, and to everyone watching it looked like proof the system worked. YouTube influencers showed off their returns. Instagram endorsements flooded social media. People invested savings, college funds, money borrowed from family. The numbers appeared on their screens, real numbers every day. At its peak, BitConnect reached a $3.4 billion market cap. Vitalik Buterin publicly called it a Ponzi scheme. Nobody listened. In January 2018, regulators issued cease and desist orders. The coin crashed from hundreds of dollars to nearly zero. $2.4 billion lost. Founder indicted. Director pleaded guilty. The warning signs were there the entire time. Anonymous operators, no white paper, mathematically impossible returns. But when the numbers on screen look right, people stop asking questions. And the next scam didn't even bother creating a real coin. In 2014, a woman named Ruja Ignatova launched a cryptocurrency called OneCoin. She had a PhD from Oxford. Brilliant, charismatic, polished. She appeared at massive events in stadiums packed with thousands, wearing designer outfits under bright lights while cheering crowds filled the arena. She called OneCoin the Bitcoin killer. 3.5 million people in 175 countries believed her. They invested over $4 billion. But here's the truth that still haunts investigators. OneCoin never existed on any blockchain. No cryptocurrency, no mining, no ledger, no technology. Just a website with fake numbers designed to create an illusion, and a marketing machine that paid members to recruit more victims. In 2017, Ignatova boarded a flight from Sofia to Athens and vanished. She's now on the FBI's 10 most wanted list. $250,000 reward. Still missing. $4 billion stolen through a coin that never existed. If 3.5 million people can be fooled by a good story and a confident face, then the next generation of scams needs something even more personal: your loneliness. The most devastating crypto scam doesn't start with an investment pitch. It starts with a relationship. A message on a dating app. A text that says, "Hey, I think we matched before." The conversation begins. Over weeks or months, a bond forms. Friendship, romance, trust. Only then does the topic of investing come up. These victims aren't gullible. They're lonely, trusting, and human. The first suggestion is always small. $500, just to see. A fake platform shows your money growing. Your new friend celebrates with you. You invest more and more. When you try to withdraw, they ask for fees, taxes, verification charges. You pay those too. Then one day the platform is gone, the person is gone, and your money is gone. In May 2025, one Australian victim lost $64,000 this way. She started with just $500. Pig butchering doesn't just steal your money, it steals your ability to trust anyone again. But the next evolution of scams doesn't even need a human behind the screen. Because in 2025, criminals gained access to something terrifying. In 2025, crypto fraud crossed a line that changes everything. Criminals started using artificial intelligence to build scams that are nearly impossible to detect. Deepfake videos showing celebrities endorsing fake platforms. Their face is perfect. Their voice is perfect. Their mannerisms perfect. AI voice clones impersonating customer service from real exchanges like Coinbase, calling victims by name and referencing real account details while sounding indistinguishable from actual employees. Imagine getting a video from a celebrity you admire looking directly at you and telling you about an investment that changed their life. You check the source. It looks legitimate. Weeks later, you discover the celebrity never recorded that video. The face was AI generated, the voice cloned from public interviews. In 2025, impersonation scams jumped 1,400%, and AI-driven schemes generated 4.5 times more revenue than traditional methods. The old advice was, if it looks suspicious, don't trust it. But AI scams don't look suspicious. They look real. And the infrastructure behind them just became even more terrifying. The most alarming development in crypto fraud isn't a new technique. It's the industrialization of scamming itself. Criminal organizations now sell turnkey scam kits to anyone. Zero technical expertise required. Pre-built fake exchange websites, phishing templates, fake regulatory badges, customer support scripts, money laundering infrastructure, everything included. Launch in days. Like buying a franchise. In the past, building a convincing scam took months of work. Crime as a service removed every barrier, and the results are staggering. Scammers using these kits steal 688 times more money than those working alone. CoinMax Pro launched in June 2023 with fake credentials and zero fees marketing. Over 2,000 traders deposited $1.5 million into locked staking programs. In January 2024, the website vanished. Every dollar gone. It wasn't built by a genius criminal. It was built from a purchased kit. Every kit sold creates a new fake exchange. Every fake exchange traps new victims. Crypto fraud is no longer committed by individuals. It's a global industry. But what do these scams look like from inside? The real stories are even more devastating. These aren't hypothetical risks. These are real people who lost real money. One California victim lost over $2.5 million. The platform displayed profits growing in real time, every chart showing gains. Then came a fake margin call. Balance wiped, website gone. Another victim lost $400,000 to a platform with professional interfaces and responsive customer service. Everything appeared real until withdrawals were attempted. In December 2025, the SEC charged 3 fake exchanges that stole $14 million. No trading occurred. No tokens existed. These platforms had SSL certificates, regulatory badges, live trading data, customer testimonials. Some even had physical offices. The victims didn't fail to do research. They did research, and the research confirmed exactly what scammers wanted them to believe. But how do criminals make fakes this convincing? The playbook reveals everything. Every successful crypto scam follows the same pattern. Step 1. Appearance. A professional website. Fast loading. Modern design. SSL encryption. Fake regulatory credentials that look identical to real ones. Step 2. Social proof. Testimonials from satisfied investors, influencer endorsements, active social media. Step 3. Trust building. Small investments encouraged, the platform shows immediate returns. And here's the critical hook. Small withdrawals are actually allowed. You deposit $500 and withdraw $700. The money hits your bank account. Every doubt disappears. Step 4. The kill. You invest the big amount, the platform shows profits. You request a withdrawal, pay a tax fee, verify with a deposit, account frozen. The money never comes out. The platform disappears. That small withdrawal wasn't proof the platform worked. It was bait designed to make you invest the amount they actually wanted to steal. But the reason $17 billion was stolen in 2025 goes even deeper. Scammers don't just target greed, they target desperation. And here's the darkest irony. The qualities that make someone a good investor: optimism, risk tolerance, confidence. Those same qualities make them perfect targets. Confident people deposit the largest amounts and resist admitting they've been deceived. But even after you realize you've been scammed, in crypto the money is gone forever. And the reason is built into the technology itself. Every scam in this video shares one common pattern: BitConnect, OneCoin, pig butchering, CoinMax Pro. They all promise certainty in a world of uncertainty. Real investing is uncertain. Real markets go up and down. Any platform that promises guaranteed returns is lying. Period. The word guaranteed in crypto isn't a promise. It's a warning sign. Never invest through unsolicited contact. The dark side of crypto scams isn't the technology. It isn't the money. It isn't even the criminals. It's trust. Every scam succeeded because someone trusted. A platform, a person, a number on a screen. BitConnect exploited trust in systems. OneCoin exploited trust in credentials. Pig butchering exploited trust in relationships. AI deepfakes exploit trust in our own senses. $17 billion wasn't stolen through hacking. It was stolen through the systematic destruction of human trust. And the true cost isn't measured in dollars. It's measured in millions of people who will never trust the same way again. These scams don't exploit a weakness. They exploit what makes us capable of connection and hope. They exploit our humanity and turn it into profit. Right now, someone is receiving a message from a stranger. Right now, someone is watching a deep fake of their favorite celebrity. Right now, someone is depositing money into an exchange that will vanish. But now you have the knowledge to protect yourself. Share it, because silence is the scammer's greatest weapon. From a $4 billion fraud built on a coin that never existed, to AI deepfakes that fool human senses. From pig butchering schemes that weaponize loneliness, to crime-as-a-service kits that let anyone become a scammer. $17 billion stolen in 2025, millions of lives altered. These scams looked legit because they were designed to look legit. The only defense that works is questioning everything before you trust anything. The crypto world moves fast. Your judgment should move slow. That's not weakness, that's wisdom. If this video could save someone you know, share it with them now. Hit subscribe for more videos that protect and inform. Now tell me in the comments which scam shocked you most. OneCoin, the AI deepfakes, pig butchering. And if you've encountered a crypto scam yourself, share your story. It could save someone else's life savings.